deep breath. Close your eyes and imagine the ocean. The waves rise and fall like your emotions. Sometimes calm, sometimes stormy, but always alive, always carrying wisdom. Cancer, this meditation is for you. For the parts of you that love too much. For the parts that feel too deeply. For the shadows that tell you you are too sensitive. And for the hidden gifts waiting to rise when you claim your own heart.
Imagine yourself standing at the edge of the shore at night.
The moon above you glows, silver and soft. Its light touches the water, and the tide pulls gently at your feet. Now, listen inside. Can you hear that quiet whisper? The one that says, if I'm not needed, do I even exist? This is the Cancer shadow, the wound of giving until nothing is left for you. Take a deep breath. Exhale slowly and whisper, I see you. I hear you. You no longer define me. Feel the shadow loosen its grip. The tide begins to wash it away.
Now place your hand on your chest.
Feel your heartbeat, steady and strong. Your hidden gift, Cancer, is intuition. You sense what others cannot say. You feel truths before they are spoken. This is not weakness. It is your inner moonlight. Whisper softly to yourself, my intuition is my guide. It shows me the truth. It protects me. Imagine your chest glowing with a pale silver light. That is your inner moon, always reflecting truth back to you. Now picture yourself holding a small child. It could be your inner child. They look up at you with wide, trusting eyes, and you know your heart was made to nurture. Yes, the world already sees this gift in you, but here is the secret most don't know. Nurturing is not just for others, it is for you. Gently hug this inner child and whisper, I protect you. I love you. I will not abandon you. Feel warmth spread through your arms, as if your own care is returning home. The tide shifts. The storm quiets. The ocean becomes still, like glass. Above, the moon's reflection is clear and whole. This is your final gift, Cancer. The healer, the mystic mother, no longer drained by others' needs, but a wellspring of wisdom and calm presence. Imagine yourself now standing, not as someone who drowns in emotions, but as a guide who shows others how to swim. My love is medicine. My tenderness is strength. I am not too emotional. I am the ocean. Feel your whole being expand with this truth. Take a deep breath in. Exhale slowly. See yourself standing by the shore, the moon above you, the ocean calm within you. You have met your shadow. You have discovered your hidden gifts. You have transformed your love into healing power. Carry this with you. Return to it whenever the world feels too heavy. And remember, your sensitivity is not your flaw. It is your power. It is your way of reshaping the world. If this meditation touched your heart, listen again whenever you feel overwhelmed. And if you're ready to explore deeper, watch the full Cancer Archetype Journey video. Both are here to remind you, your love is not weakness, it is your strength.